Okay, so by now you are on the question that's asking you to describe what the word product means. What's your understanding of product? This is an interesting question because in the everyday world, especially from my experience, is this is not something that people fully understand or at least put enough emphasis on. There's words like VSD, values of service delivered. They have different ways of kind of approximating product, but for our purposes, when we use the word product, I mean, we really mean something. And not only is it important to you, is it important to me, but it is important to the employee beyond measure. But before I get into that, let me go ahead and read the definition of what product means. Product, a finished high quality service or article in the hands of a being or group. It serves as an exchange for a valuable. In other words, it isn't a product at all unless it's exchanged. The individual has to put his service or articles in the hands of some other staff member before it could be called a product. Now that's kind of interesting because he's saying in the hands of another staff member. It's funny how many people I've asked. I said, to guys I've worked with, guys that I consulted, I said, hey, what's your end product? And they go, and I mean, the lag that happens from that question, I said, okay, look, you're an evaporation technician. What's your end product? What's your end result that you know if you get your, the boss or the owner or your manager is going to be happy with? And I can tell you right now, they always give me answers that have to end in actions. Like, well, what I do is I pack crucibles, and then I clean plate, or I make sure that the pizza is, the dough is the right size, and I add pepperoni. It's what is the end result, and actually creating that in a way where it's a finite result. So the idea of a product is something that is of high quality. It's desirable, it's finished, it's completed, and most important, somebody wants it and you can give it to somebody, sell it to somebody, get goodwill for something. And it's something, again, someone wants. So we're going to be using this word product quite a bit. Hey, I got a lot of products today. What does that mean? Well, that means I got a lot of stuff done. And not only did I got a lot of stuff done, it was stuff that was valuable. It didn't just sit on my desk. It moved out into the environment. Someone needed it. They were happy about it. And in our internship, we're basically going to go after products. Okay, we are going to go after, getting a product on marketing, or getting a product on finance, or getting a product on surveys, websites. If a website is a true product, what is it going to do? Okay, it's going to give people enough information to build confidence so that that person can click, call, schedule an appointment, and get the service that they want done, finished, and complete in the way that they actually want it done, with the price that they're hoping to pay for it, right? So that's a little bit about product. Hope you understand. Go ahead and answer a few of the questions below and see which one of those definitions most approximates this video and the question itself. What is a product?